Kementeri Ketenaga Koi ke Khih ke Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh ke arpu trik biayong kelong bagi jingdan Kiba yo Khñiang Jingpang COVID hak jela kedan ke jingla bantela kam berkesorkar kam kwa banong ie ke banwanra ke jing Khoh haborok wei jela habakren sikla patai kubor halor ke jingkiu kensan Kiba yo Khñiang Jingpang COVID West Garo Hills ke Kong Ampareen kelong baladan kendai ngut Kiba yo COVID bad hadu menta ke jela kedan kumbak khadar hadu khalangut Kiba yo COVID.
We do not want to cause an unnecessary alarm because it will create very big ripples across the state. However, we are, as a government, requesting citizens to ensure that they adhere to COVID practices. Anyone coming from high positivity cities like Delhi, I think Karnataka, I think some of those Maharashtra, some areas in some of these states where high positivity rates are there, we are requesting them to self-quarantine. So we do not want to also unnecessarily create the wrong alarm, because right as of today, our positivity rate is very low at 14. Active cases 14 or 15, I'm not sure, but I just received an update.
As of today?
Yeah, so I would suggest that as a state, citizens themselves should police themselves so that we do not inconvenience the entire public at large.